So guys, in this video we will talk about classes. What does it mean class is in OOP? So class means that you will use the class keyword, but what does it mean? Class is something general, okay? So it means if we will speak about a bookshop, so I will create a class book, okay? So it's something what I can create objects. Okay, I can create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's up to me how many objects I will create according a class book. Okay, so it means I will put here a pass because it means don't put an error here because it's empty. Okay, if it will be emptied, here will be an error, expected indented block. But here I will put the pass. It means okay, don't care about it that it's empty. I will put here something in the future. Okay, so I will just print or write here the pass for this moment. Okay, so what does it mean, this class? So the class is something general, how I said. So it means according to the class you can use this class here and you can create one class or 100 class, 1 million. You can create one book, you can create 2 books, you can create 200 books, you can create 2 millions books. So it means it's up to you how many books you will create according to the class. So it's the same if you build a house. So if you have here something, it's a blueprint. Okay, so it means I took a paper and I will draw my or some house. So here is a house, but it's only a blueprint. It's only on the paper. Okay, it isn't real. So this is the class. And according this blueprint, I can create, for example, this house. Okay, but according one blueprint, I can create one house or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's up to me. Okay, but you need only one blueprint and you can create how many houses you want. It's up to you. So here is the same. I have a class and I can create how many books I want. Okay, so now I will create some books. For example, I will call it book 1. Okay, and I want to say, hey, create this book 1 according this class. Okay, this class is very simple, but we will change it in the future. But now we need to say, okay, book 1. This name is up to you guys, and I will call it book 1, and I would say, okay, take a class book. You can say the class is with a big letter, okay, the big first letter. So take the class book and create the first book, and it goes like this. And now it's up to you guys. We can create the 3 books, for example. Okay, and that's the point. Here I have real books. And they are created according one class. So it means if my friend tell me, okay, you can send me your code, and I say, of course, I will send you this code. You can use it and you can create your own books. And the name of the books maybe will be different. That's okay. That's absolutely okay. It's up to you because the logic will be different from me and my friend. Okay, but the class will be the same. And that's the point. Okay, so now you can see the difference. Now I hope that you understand what class means, and after that, in this situation, the class is very simple. It's very how we can call it, stupid or simple. It's very simple, and we need to change it. Okay, but this is the first step. You need to understand what class means.